Hello everyone. Welcome to the orientation video for business mathematics. I am Professor Aaron Reeves and I will be your instructor for this course. So currently I am on the Blackboard site you can get to the Blackboard site by going to the school's website, which is stlcc.edu. Locate our course, which is business mathematics. I am currently on the Announcements tab on the Blackboard site. Any correspondence from me will be put on the Announcement tab on Blackboard. It will also be sent to your school-issued email account. So be sure that you activate your stlcc.edu email address to receive any type of correspondence from me. So your job is to check the announcement tab often, at least every 48 hours to see what announcements have been posted on the Blackboard site. Okay? I'm going to click on the Start Here menu. Under the Start Here menu, you will have an orientation video that we're doing right now. This is the old video you see here. It'll be replaced once this video has been completed. And you also have an introduction blog. Yes, the introduction blog is a way for me to get to know a little bit more about my students. You get to know more about your peers, plus you get to earn 2 bonus points for the completion of the introduction blog. This blog will also be used to verify your attendance during the first week of the course. So the introduction blog must be completed no later than 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, August 29th. There are also some other policies under the Start Here menu that you can review pertaining to the course. Next, we have our syllabus and schedule. So I'm going to go to the schedule first. The schedule shows a course outline. It indicates the chapters we're going to cover during each week of the semester. It also shows the week of each of your exams are highlighted in bold. So you already have a complete course outline to know which chapters we're going to cover during each week of our semester. I'm going to open up the syllabus, which I have here. So there's COVID-19 information. Please be sure to visit the COVID-19 website to learn more about the COVID protocol, especially if you're going to be on campus. There's information about the actual course itself, information about me, your instructor. So for this semester, I will have online office hours as well as campus office hours. So if you email me during those campus or during those online office hours, you will get a quicker response. However, my goal is to respond to any correspondence within a 48-hour time period. Normally, I can get to you within 24 hours. The exception being on the weekend, it may take a little longer response if you send an email over the weekend. So these are my campus office hours. I am located on the Forest Park campus. My office room number is FS and Frank 324. This is my office number, and here you have my cell phone number. This course, Business Mathematics, is a review of some of the basic arithmetic functions such as fractions, decimals, non-decimal number system, graphs, etc. But we will also cover more fundamental topics such as how to calculate interest, whether it's simple interest or compound interest. What are markups? What are markdowns? We'll even do payroll calculation, taxes, depreciation. We'll talk about insurance, credit cards. So we're going to cover a variety of topics in this course. Next, you have a list of the learning outcomes for this course. You can read about those. Let me get to the required course material. So our textbook, which is Practical Business Math Procedures by Slater, we're using the 13th edition. This is a McGraw-Hill product. You are required to have an access code to connect for this course. So if you purchase a new textbook from the school's textbook or from the school's bookstore, any new textbook does come with an access code. Okay? You also have the option of buying an ebook, which I'll talk more about, that you can access from the publisher's website. Now, if you purchase a used textbook from a different source, you will still need to purchase an access code. I'll say it again. If you purchase a used textbook from a different source, you will still have to purchase an access code. Okay? There's information about the requirements from a technology standpoint for this course procedures. So, of course, this is an online course administered by using the internet. So, all your homework assignments, exams, quizzes will be completed using the Connect software. And once again, every student must obtain an access code for Connect for this class. Okay? The grading policy shows the number of points you can earn for the various assignments. It also shows how many points you must accumulate to earn a certain letter grade. The attendance policy. This is an online course. In order to be considered as attending an online course, you must complete at least one required assignment that was assigned for that particular week. If a student does not complete at least one required assignment within the first 2 weeks of the semester, that student may be administratively withdrawn from the course for non-attendance. So you want to make sure that you complete really all the assignments, but at least a minimum of one assignment per week in order to be marked as being attendance, as being present, if you will, for the actual course. Okay? There's a policy about late work, mixed exams. You can read about that policies. It gives information about the withdrawal date. If you need any type of accommodations, perhaps you may have some type of visual disability, learning, hearing, etc. We do have what's called an access office, and there's an office on each campus, as well as an online access office. And you can reach out to the access office, and they'll make sure that any accommodations needed are made for you to be successful in all of your various courses. There's policies about diversity and inclusion. You can read about those. Title IX. You also have another sample of the course outline that's shown here on the syllabus. So please make sure you take time to review carefully the information that's part of your syllabus. Okay? Now back to the Blackboard side. To find the actual work required for this course, you will click on the Weekly Modules tab on the Blackboard site. You're going to have a module set up for each week and for each chapter. So for example, we're doing chapter 5 is our first chapter. We're beginning with chapter 5 for the semester. This is indicating the assignments that must be completed for chapter 5 during week 1. It also indicates the due date. So your week 1 assignments must be completed by Sunday, August 29th by 11:59 p.m. So I'm going to click on the week 1 module to go inside of it to see what do we have here. But take a look. There are lecture videos for chapter 5. There are PowerPoint presentations for chapter 5. You have a summary practice test, which is not graded. It's a practice test, but it's there for you to make sure that you have mastered those concepts that were covered during the actual Chapter 5 information. Then you see your Chapter 5 homework, your Chapter 5 quiz, and your Chapter 5 Learn Smart assignments are all included here under the Week 1 Chapter 5 module on the Blackboard side. So yes, the work will be done in Connect, but you're going to access Connect via the Blackboard site. Now you're saying, well, how do I access Connect? I am so glad you asked that question. So if you go to the Blackboard site, you have a tab that says McGraw-Hill Connect. If you click on this tab and you click where it says click here to register, it will take you to the Connect site. Now, the first time that you log into Blackboard or log into Connect, it will prompt you to register. Now, here's some good news. Connect allows you a 14-day grace period to use the Connect software free of charge. So if you're waiting for financial aid, your textbook to come in that you order online, not a problem. You can download or you can go to the Register for Connect and you're allowed to use the Connect software for a 14-day grace period free of charge. After that 14-day grace period, you are required to actually pay for an access code. So if you bought a brand new textbook through the college website, it does come with an access code, or when you first log into the Connect site and register, it will allow you to purchase an access code, which does come with an ebook, or you have a loose leaf option if you rather have a hard copy. And with the loose leaf, you will get that along with the access to the Connect site. Okay, so once you're on the Connect side, so here we have our assignments for Chapter 5 homework, Chapter 5 quiz, Learn Smart. But again, once you register for Connect, you're going to access these assignments by going through the Blackboard site. So now I'll go back to Blackboard to complete our orientation video. So also on the Blackboard site, there's information about me, the instructor. It has my contact information out here that we talked about before. It gives you a little bit of information about me as an instructor, my background in both education as well as in the private business sector. You can read that at your lecture. So be sure to review the various tabs that are shown out here on the Blackboard site. Okay? So just to summarize it, for week 1, you want to complete the introduction blog, which is located under the Start Here menu. And also under the weekly modules, you want to complete the week 1 assignment, Chapter 5, which consists of your Chapter 5 homework, your Chapter 5 quiz, and your Chapter 5 Learn Smart assignment. If you have any question pertaining to this course, again, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information again is here under the My Instructor tab. It is also written on your syllabus. Okay, so I look forward to reviewing your introduction blog, learning more about each of my students. I look forward to a great semester. And again, let's get ready to roll. Talk to you later.